Welcome to solverfy, the place where learning becomes simple. If you're struggling with homework, assignment, or doubt in subjects, don't worry, you are in the right place.
Let's look at this chemistry problem about chemical and physical changes. But before I start this problem, I suggest you pause the video, do the question yourselves, and then come back and see if you got it right or not. That is a true way of knowing if you fully understand the topic. So, before we start the topic, there's some prior knowledge that you should know about chemical and physical changes, right? So, maybe we can start by defining it. A chemical change is when a chemical aspect of a molecule, compound, anything changes, right? So in the picture, what we're looking for is the combination of atoms changing. Because if the atoms in the molecule or compound are changing, if they're like different colored ones in the after picture, then we know that the chemical aspect of that compound has been changed, right? So that's what we're looking for chemical change. But then in terms of physical change, well, physical change it's like changing a physical aspect of a molecule. So applying pressure, if we have like a solid, for example, applying pressure or increasing the temperature are physical aspects. So you're changing the physical aspects of that molecule or compound. So that's what we're looking for. But in terms of the picture, we're looking for the same combination, right? It'd be the same combination of atoms, because in physical changing, nothing, the atoms are not changing, it's not changing chemically, it's just the physical aspect that is changing. So it would be the same combination of atoms but different spacing. So if you like increase the pressure, for example, you're squishing the molecules together, so they would be closer together, for example. So now that we understand that, let's move on to the problem. Let's start with the easiest one, which is this one. This is the easiest one because right away we can see that the molecules stay the same, but the after is just more spread out. The molecules are more spread out, right? So we can conclude that this one is a physical change. For the second one, it's also pretty simple and easy because we can see that there is an element here. It's just red atoms, and then we can see which is black and white. But in the after image, we see that they're mixed. So we can see the red is joined with the white atom, and the black and the red are joined together. So this is a chemical change because the atoms, the combination of atoms, have changed. Well, the first one, we can see that there is a molecule or compound that has black and grayish atoms, and there's a red one on the top, right? A red atom. In the after image, what we can notice is that the molecules are more spread out and the orientation is changed. So some are upside down, some are the same, facing the same way, some are facing upwards. So we can conclude that this is a physical change as well. So hopefully that was helpful.